Minasan, konnichiwa, Brett des. Today, let's talk about polite fictions in Collision. Polite Fictions is a university textbook that helps English teachers and Japanese ESL students understand many cross-cultural differences between Japan and America. Now, these differences sometimes come into conflict, causing feelings of rudeness. It is written by a multicultural couple, Nancy and Shio Sakamoto. All situations presented in a text come from the author's real-life experiences. Now, the small book is available on Amazon, and the link is below. I also have a full write-up written in Japanese, and that also is in the links below. I have used polite fictions in collisions many times with my advanced students with great success. My students enjoyed learning about the many differences in American and Japanese cultures, and they were amazed at the many points raised in the book, as was I. In truth, I learned quite a lot about Japanese culture through this book alone. Now, it made me reflect upon my own Canadian culture, and it helps me with a deeper understanding of Japan as well. Of course, this would be vice versa for a Japanese ESL student. Now, I believe all Western cultures can be accounted for in polite fictions. I wish I had read it far earlier in my teaching career in Japan. In so saying, I have provided this book to fellow English teachers throughout the years as well. Each of them came to the same conclusion as I. It is clearly designed for both language learners and native English speakers. Just keep in mind, this would be for an advanced student of English. Let's take a deeper look into polite fictions in Collision. Feel free to pause this at any time. I believe that this is a worthwhile asset to have as an English teacher living in Japan. I also strongly believe that this is an amazing reference for Japanese students who want to learn about Western culture. I highly recommend it. ご覧いただきありがとうございました. Thank you for watching.